Hello guys, welcome back to KCFS Academy. This is live on BTC. Shit, man. A lot of things has been happening on BTC, and I'm expecting a good sell on BTC. Stop joke. I'm expecting BTC to come back to market price of like mostly 80,000, right? It might get to 70 something thousand, but you see this market price. See here, this is where I'm expecting BTC mostly to come back to touch. Here I'm expecting this zone actually. This is a very good zone of it. So I'm expecting BTC to come back to this zone, have a touch here, and then yeah, it might even break it towards to reach this zone. But a good TP is to wait for this zone. So I'm expecting BTC to come back. So one of the reasons was if you watch, you will see that it wasn't a bullish trend from a higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it has a breakout from here to the downside, telling you that BTC will sell any other time. From that particular moment, there will be a sales from the BTC. Yeah, it respected this zone here by pushing up back to the line, coming back again and pushing up to the line again. And then last week it has a good breakout. This candle here is a very good breakout for a sell. And we're not gonna just sell once, so we still have to wait for market to come back to that zone before the sell, which is likely to be here. If you watch, you see that was the zone of the breakout. Now the market has already comes back to that zone of the breakout, which is like here. The market has come to visit the zone. See, if you watch very well, you see it was the breakout here. The market has come visit the zone, and the market has rejected. So we are expecting more of sales from this market. We are expecting sales that will get to this particular low, $81,000. We are expecting that price on BTC. So if it definitely breaks above this low here, we definitely will be adding more options on BTC. Yeah, if it breaks this low, we'll be adding more options. If it breaks here, this one, if it comes back and breaks this low and comes back towards that low, yeah, we'll use 1 hour to understand the zone of buying, selling again, and then we add more options to get to this zone. So that is what we have for BTC for now. Yeah, so let's do one more analysis here. Let's go to GBPUSD. I just want to do something. So this is GBPUSD. I saw it here this morning. Like, if I'm to do BTCUSD now, I first of all go to my higher time frame. Let's understand what's going on here. So the ideology here is it was a buy, right? You see this was a buy here. A very good buy. A breakout happened, it comes down, it push up again. A very good buy from here, pushing up, right? See that this is a very good buy from GBPUSD. That was a very good push up buy from GBPUSD. And then the one thing we have to respect is this orange, this line you're seeing here is a yearly zone. That's why you see this here. This is a yearly zone. We don't know if it's gonna cross or not. If you go to 12 months, you see that since how many years GBP has not crossed this zone. So if it definitely crosses this zone, and that means GBP is gonna buy a lot this year. Like, I mean, you can hold a buy towards to this high. That's a long time investment. If it breaks and come back and bounce, GBP is gonna buy very long this year. So this is what we are still expecting if it's gonna cross or not. But currently now, if I have to trade GBPUSD, I will still go back to lower time frame. Definitely this is a good zone for a buy for it if it comes back towards here and reject. But currently now we don't have anything because this is a yearly zone here. Let's go to smaller time frame. Let's see if you can have anything to trade. If I want to trade anything, I should have look for a buy here when it comes back to this particular zone. But that is not my zone. Like, that was not my zone. So I won't be desperate to trade this market. I just it's either it comes back towards here, and then I will look for it here. Waiting for a rejection here and a double top, but double bottom on 1 hour to tell me it's gonna buy again. Or I just have to just hold on for now. GBP has nothing for me. For me, it has nothing for me. Then gold is under maybe it's under very uptrend now. I see it has been a very long, even I was expecting here last week, but it just came back towards this zone here, give the double leg here, and then push up. It didn't even come back to retrace in any of those things. So this is what it has been doing. And currently now on gold, this is the low here. There is a low here. See, watch very well here. You see, there is a low here. So if I want to trade anything on gold now, I just have to wait. If I see the market comes back here, they react from here, then tell me if I'm gonna buy or not. Yeah, but apart from this, I don't. But the main trade I'm into now, I'm into, and I see for the big sell is good. A BTC, sorry. This BTC is what I'm seeing to have more of sales this week. I see BTC coming back to $80,000 like this week, holding it throughout this week. This is not only for today or tomorrow, but it's gonna take some time, I think. But I see it coming back to around 80,000 market price. Yeah, so this is how we do our analysis. See, simple and clean. The purple line here signifies a low. It signifies a zone. And it signifies that it's a good zone there, and then you're expecting it to break it and come back here. Yeah, so if you don't know who is talking, this is KCFS. The CEO of KCFS Academy worldwide. I'm active. I'm heavily active. So this is all we are looking for this morning. Please, if you are new on my YouTube channel, just please don't just subscribe. You are new on my Facebook, please subscribe to my Facebook page. You are new on my TikTok, everywhere follow me and get notified whenever I drop a video about particular trade, and use a proper risk management. Nobody is perfect on this game. Market can do whatever you want at any point of time. The only thing that keeps us moving and trying to strive is using a good risk management, making sure that you are using a proper risk management. That is very important. And you see yourself in that level you wish to be. Peace and love.